Howdy folks, BJandtheBear here. I wanted to show off my new Buffalo brand air horn, and I was able to install it along with my love jugs, which I had on there with very little problems. The only thing I needed to do was the bracket for my love jugs. I had to ground off about 1/8 of an inch off the side of the bracket to allow for it to move over far enough to get the screw through the holes to attach it back to the bracket where it needed to be, or back to the screw hole where it needed to be. But other than that, it was very easy installation. Anybody can do it, and the quality of this air horn is top notch. It's second to none. So the difference in the sound is tremendous. Believe me, the sound coming from the GoPro mics don't do it justice as far as how loud this thing is. It tries to aero correct, I think, for the loudness, but it's an awesome horn, and I recommend it to anybody that has a Thunderstroke motor. It's just that great. So there it is. See if we can get a better picture of it. You can see how it just fits right in there. It's just inside where your soft covers would be for your highway bars, so it really doesn't get in the way of anything, and it just adds so much to the bike as far as the details. Okay folks, we're going to do the sound test now, show you the difference between the two horns. Got my Triumph here and my Indian. Triumph basically has the same horn as the Indian used to have. It may be even a little bit louder. It's supposed to be like about 105 decibels. So let's start them up. We'll start with the Triumph first. Pretty significant difference, if I do say so myself. I'd like to thank Buffalo brand air horns and Two Indians for putting the contest on and giving us a chance to compete for that. Although I didn't win, I was able to get a significant discount, and I thank you for that. It definitely will go a long ways for providing safety for us when we're on the road. Thank you. Alright, so of course there's the Buffalo brand horn, and now I want to show you the Triumph horn. The Triumph horn is right there. The original Indian horn is right here. So you can see the Triumph horn is even a little bit bigger than the original Indian horn. And the Triumph horn says it's 105 decibels. The Indian horn doesn't say what it was. Just that it's 12 volt, 55B. I'm not sure what any of these other numbers are. But to me, they both sound about the same. I remember when I first had it and commenting that it sounded like the same horn. But so anyway, that's why I'm using the Triumph horn as a test compared to the new Buffalo brand horn, and I think it's a fair comparison. Again, I don't think the GoPro microphone does the Indian air horn, the Buffalo brand air horn, justice, because it is so much more louder than the original horn. And I don't think you can tell. I think the GoPro microphone tries to account for the loudness, just like it does for wind noise and things like that. But anyway, that's the differences, and we'll catch you next time. Y'all come back when y'all can stay longer. You hear?